Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So you have to start with opening App Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now select this application and click here to install. Now you can click open. And now decide if you want to allow Edge to use your localization or not. And now you can click skip introduction. And here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data or click not now. And now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And that's it, now your Microsoft Edge is set up. So if you like this video, please remember to leave like and subscribe.